Yeah, just pull up when someone's coming, you moron. Exit dive. Get off my ass. Get off my fucking ass. Scumbag. Fucking scumbag. It's not a lane, you fucking scumbag. It's not a lane. And that's an exit dive. And that's an exit dive. And exit dive.
We had some steady rain for your morning commute, and right now it looks like
Oopsie. Can't imagine who was at fault there. Jesus. You looking bitch. Pardon my French, but you know. That's a red light runner. Exit dive. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Nice! Prick. That wasn't a stop. Good. That's not how it works, stupid. Jerk to the left lane, wherever the hell you are. I don't have to look no more. Oh, get off my ass. I can't go faster than the Subaru. Here comes another jerk. What's he gonna do? I'm never gonna stop. You're a couple of scumbags, you know. Here we go, cut him off. Yeah, there you go. Slow down lanes if, you know. Side street on an expressway. Thank you. everything. Jesus Christ. Keep checking your phone, honey. Just keep checking your phone. Red light runner. That's not gonna get you that fast, stupid. Dual turn lane, yep. Dual lane exit. Whatever you want to call it. Now let's go around this tanker truck, and she's jumping. Feel free to not climb up my butt again, thank you. What did I tell you? Yeah, going for the pass fail, ain't ya? Princess Karen! Across the bull nose! Nope, 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 no, 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 nope, 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 nope. Get out of this lane, you fucking turd! You too! Exit dive! Really good blinker usage. You're supposed to pull over, you dumbasses. Nice cut off. Because Lexus. I think that was a cutoff. That's a left turn only. Are you gonna left turn only? Are you gonna left turn only? Nope and nope. So there's no. Just because your pass failed doesn't mean you can be in this lane. Thank you. Hello, there's somebody there.
We're at 59 degrees right now in Boston.
Yeah, a little close to road douche. And again, thank you, asshole. No bull nose jumping, thank you. And goes back anyway. Okay. Yield, you fuckbag. Yeah, okay. I'll climb up my butt now, thank you. Back off, lady. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Fuck off my tail. I don't think you stopped. You definitely didn't stop. You definitely didn't stop. Sort of slow rolled it.